Yo, it's your boy OJEAST, and in today's video we're going to be doing a blindfold taste challenge. Today's special guest is Carla.
Yeah, here I am.
So basically the rules of the game is we'll each take turns. For example, my turn, I will be sat here blindfolded and Carla will bring out a variety of things for me to taste and guess. But that's not it, my friends. Whoever loses is going to have to do the forfeit.
What is it gonna eat? It's gonna eat mustard.
The forfeit is mustard. Ah, man, I'm not looking forward to it. Hopefully
someone's gonna get sick.
Not me, man.
Yeah, you are.
Alright guys, so I'm on my way to get the ingredients. I'm gonna be getting them from Co-op. I don't know where she got her ingredients from, but we're gonna have to wait and see innit. But I think I'm gonna win. I went a bit easy, but like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely got this in the bag. Like, man's a bad man, innit? You get me, fam? So I'm gonna go, you know, get the ingredients, and then yeah, I'll be back. Yo, I'm on my way to get these ingredients. It's cold out here in the dunya. I'm gonna be going Co-op, which is literally right there. We should cross the road. And yeah, I'll see you there. Alright, so guys, it's my turn. Man, I'm not looking forward to this, man.
It's gonna be very tough.
Oh man.
Get ready for it. So you just have to bite this. Bite it. What do you think it is?
What?
Come on, you can guess this. This is the easiest one that I've got.
Is it a date?
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Well done.
So that's 1-0.
Right, I'm gonna give OJ the second thing. Open your mouth.
I know what this is. It's a peanut.
No.
It's like a nut.
Yeah,
Salted nut.
it's a nut, but you have to tell me the specific name
It's
of
a
this
salted nut.
Yes, it is.
Hey,
But no, wait, you haven't guessed yet, because you have to tell me the specific name of this nut.
Is it almond?
No, it's not.
Man, that's not fair. That's your can't. Alright, next.
Right, the second nut. I'll tell you that it's a nut again.
It's a nut. What? I don't know the name of the nuts, you know.
Oh, come on. You can try to guess still.
Almond.
Yeah, you guessed that.
Right.
Now, this is the third one.
Damn.
I think this is the hardest one. Yeah.
Is it chestnut?
No. It's a salted nut still, but you have to tell me the specific name.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go on then.
This isn't fair!
The third one is gonna be something really tough.
If you don't be dirty, yeah, man.
I will need a spoon for this.
She don't know where man.
Open your mouth.
Right.
What is it? This is already a forfeit. What do you think it is?
One sec.
Alright, I'll give you a clue. It's something that is used typically in Indian food.
Give up, I don't know. Just take this shit.
Right?
Take this shit from me.
Can you smell it already?
What's that? Wait, what is it?
Open your mouth and you know. It's not that bad, trust me. This is better than The one that I gave
Put my
you
finger,
before.
put my finger.
Mm-hmm.
Is that my finger?
Yeah.
Is it like a sauce?
Yes.
It's not garlic sauce, is it?
No, it's not.
Is it? I don't know. I don't know.
Alright.
So far, I've only got 2.
Alright, you're giving up then.
I give up.
Okay.
She's done it boy dirty. Well, wait till it's my turn.
Open your mouth.
Tastes orangey.
Yeah. And
Is it
what
chocolate?
else? No, it's not chocolate. But it's something similar to chocolate.
Is it like a protein bar?
Yeah. Yeah, you guessed.
So
But
right.
what you have to tell me now is what flavor is it? You said it's orangey, right?
Orange protein bar.
Orange, and what else do you think there is in that bar?
So it's a protein bar, yeah?
Yeah. That is right.
I don't know what it's called. Is it like brown? It's not like...
Yeah.
I don't know. Can I get half a point for that?
Alright. Because you guessed one of the ingredients.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ah!
And last thing.
Last one?
Yeah.
What was it, 5? So far I've got 2.5 points.
Yeah.
But no, 3.5. Was it 2.5?
You got 3.5. Yeah.
Out of like, what, 7?
Open your mouth.
Ah!
No, it's good. It's good. I
Cheese.
tried it.
Cheese.
It's cheese.
Better
Yeah, well
cheese.
done. Yeah. Right, so OJEAST got 4.5 points. Let's see what I can score.
Alright guys, it's my turn. Yeah, you see how she done me? It's my turn. Let's see if she guesses right.
I'm scared. What are you gonna feed me with?
You better be scared. I'll go easy on you first. Guys, this is the first one. I'm gonna feed her one of each she has to guess. Open your mouth.
That's grapes,
Nice.
isn't it? Yeah.
This is the second one, guys.
Raspberry.
Yeah.
You went pretty easy on me.
Alright guys, this is the third one, yeah? Number 3. Open your mouth.
Chips.
What chips?
Doritos.
Oh, 3 out of 3. The next one's not going to be as easy, I promise you guys.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Alright guys, this is the next one, yeah? Let's see if she gets this one, yeah? Let's see. Let's see if she gets this one.
No, that is. It's some sauce, isn't it?
Huh?
Some sort of sauce. I can already guess it from the noise that it made.
Open your mouth.
Mayonnaise.
You cheated! And she saw my stuff.
No, I didn't.
Cheated.
You are basically giving me all the things that I eat daily. So, I know pretty much the taste.
So that's what, 4 out of 4 now? So guys, this is number 5. You see how that rhymed?
That's cool, mother boy.
Oh, if you guess this one, you're a cheater. If she guesses this one, she's cheating, yeah?
Tuna.
Huh?
Tuna.
Nope. One more guess. But it's similar. It's similar to tuna.
It's fish.
Yeah, it's a fish.
In a can.
Yeah.
What is it?
You don't. What's your answer?
Can I try again?
Big piece or small piece?
Big piece.
Go on.
I don't know what this is.
Go on.
It's cod.
No! Alright, one
What
wrong.
is it?
So, huh?
What
I
is
won't tell
it?
you yet.
Because
This is the last
it
one.
tastes like tuna, but it's not.
It's not true. It's very. You're very close. Alright, last one, yeah. Oh shit! My last one's too easy. Alright, guys. This is the final one. But I'm not gonna do this because I need this. I need this for my heart. I actually need this. So I'm gonna switch off. I'm gonna switch off. Let's see if she gets this. Alright guys, this is the last one. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if she gets it. I need some like suspenseful music. Yeah.
Blueberry.
Oh!
Oh, yeah! I guessed it.
Alright. Take your time.
I guessed all of them, didn't I?
Except this.
Which is
Macaroni.
I didn't even know this food, to be honest. I've never had it
Lots,
before.
man.
But you lost.
So guys, I lost. I went too easy.
So he's the one that's gonna taste the mustard now. It's gonna have 1 full teaspoon of mustard. Alright guys, so because OJEAST lost the game, it's gonna taste this mustard and it's gonna taste a full teaspoon of this. Are you ready for that? No. No, you have to make it this.
Psych!
Your words are saying, no, you can't do that.
Oh.
How was it? Was it the best ingredient that I fed you?
That was the best forfeit, man. Seriously.
So, take 2.
Obviously, you man didn't see that
So-
what happened last time, innit?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, man?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, come on.
No.
Come on.
Nobody is ready for mustard. But you have to do this.
I have to say the whole thing.
Yes.
The whole thing.
Yeah. I'm sorry for you.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you laughed too.
I hope you laughed at my misery. I hope not actually. I hope you guys rate it. 50 likes for part 2. Yeah? And next time I want to come harder. This time I went easy, thinking she was going to go easy on me, but nah, she went on the
I
Mazzolini.
didn't.
So
Of course I
she
didn't.
caught me off guard. I'm gonna allow it. Respect. Well done. Shake my hand, psych.
God.
I'll see you guys in the next video, baby.